Yeah. So what we call it as the stack, call it as a main.tf, providers.tf, and variables.tf, versions.tf. Right, guys? Providers.tf. What is the provider? Providers. So we are segregating it everything. So we will include the providers in the providers block. We will include providers in the providers block. For example, a region equal to, guys, region equal to, I want to specify it to somewhere else in the variables. Region equal to var dot, so var dot aws underscore region, aws underscore region. So for example, I'm defining the aws region in the variables. I'm defining aws region in the AWS region in the variables. So how you can define it, guys? How we can define it? Something like a variable. So variable equal to AWS underscore region. So AWS underscore region. So in that we need to specify the region. A default equal to what is the default, guys? US East 1. The default region equal to US East 1. Right, guys? I'm defining a AWS region in the variable of file. So I'm defining in the variable of file, something like a providers. So the provider equal to AWS region equal to var dot AWS dot region. Var dot AWS dot region. It took from the var. It took from the variables. We defined it in the variables. Guys, understood? Guys, understood? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is variable. So providers, we are providing the providers in the provider file. So variables, you understood how we can define the variable in the versions.tf, guys. In the versions.tf. So what is the versions.tf? So for example, Terraform version and the AWS Linux AWS version. So for example, a Terraform version, guys. Terraform required version equal to greater than 1.0, right? So required provider AWS resource from AC Corp. So version. So what is the version of the AWS, guys? Registry.terraform.io. So registry.terraform.io. The registry.terraform.io browse providers AWS. In the AWS, what is the version, guys? 5.48.0. The latest version is 5.48.0. 5.48.0. So cloud in it, guys. We don't need this one. No worries. Yes, guys. So it will show you, guys. It will show automatically. No worries. The blocks, everything. So Terraform required version is greater than 1.0. Required provider is equal to AWS. These are the what this is. This is a, you guys can save it. You guys can file, save providers. Yeah. File, save main.tf. Yeah. So what we included in the what we write in the main.tf, just main.tf, the resources we write it in the main.tf. Main.tf. Guys, understood? Here I want the same instances, something like a count equal to I want a number of instances, same instance, count equal to 2, for example. Count equal to 2. Count equal to 2. Let's try this, guys. Let's try this. Terraform init. Yeah. So it is successfully initiated. Successfully initiated. Terraform. Terraform. What is that, guys? Plan. Let's check. Yeah. So Terraform is 2 to add because of, so we provided the count equal to 2. Count equal to 3. It will install 3 instances. It will install 3 instances. But let's check the, you see guys. So AWS instance dot web1 will be created automatically. So web is created, web 0 is created. If you give the count, so web 1 is created, web 0 and web b1 is created, web 1 is created. Guys, understood? So this is the a Terraform a file, guys. This is a Terraform file. I will upload it in the, I will upload it, guys. I will upload it in the drive. Okay. Okay, guys. I will upload this folder into the drive. You guys check it and create it, and you guys can try it, guys. Guys, understood? Guys, understood or not? Yes, speak out, guys. Guys, are understood? Sai, Funny.
Yes, bro.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So the right, you guys can check it. You guys can create the S3 that IAM under. You guys can include it here. In the main, you guys can include the include it the include in the volumes attachment and the volume creation and the IAM also we can include in this stack, guys. So this stack is we can use the, so once we write that stack in the any one of the stack, something like this is the dev stack, QA stack and prod stack, so we can reuse the code. It is easy to reuse the code, guys. Understood? So this is nothing but a Terraform. Something like here in the resource block, we provided the AMI and instance type and count. So there is a options. There is a options resource block, right? Yeah, you see, guys. Terraform required providers equal to AWS, source equal to this one, and version equal to. So this is this is for the Terraform 0 and 13 and later. So we can use the a provider, the versions and the providers, versions and providers. EC2, sorry, EBS. This is EC2 AMI AWS AMI underscore instance. So this is the AMI underscore instance. You see, guys. Argument reference. What is this, guys? These are the arguments. What is that? These are a arguments. AMI instance type count. These are the arguments. So the arguments reference, this resource supports the following arguments. So this is a AMI is optional. If you include, if you are not include, so it will take the default one. If you are not providing any AMI, so if you are commenting this, it will take the default one. It will take the default one. These all are the optionals. So these all are the optionals. So we have a optionals and a required fields. Definitely we need to provide the required fields. These all are the optionals if you are providing or not. So it will take the default ones. You see, guys, everything is optional, 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 optional. So this is the optional ones, guys. This is the optional ones. This is the optional ones, guys. All are the optional, optional, optional. So this is also a optional, 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 optional. Yeah, you see guys. So we have a required fields and a optional fields. So if you want to use this device name, definitely we need to provide this argument. We need to provide this argument, guys. Few of them are optional, few of them are required, guys. The required fields must and should we need to specify. So this is guys network interface ID must and should be required, device index required. If you use the network interface block, we have a few of the optional and few of the, so we have the are required fields, guys. Now you understood, guys? Now you understood. If you are using the resource back, definitely you can check it. You can check the arguments. So the arguments are in the optional field or required field. If it is in required field, must be a specify, guys. If it is in required field, must be a specifying. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a Terraform. Nothing but a Terraform. Guys, remember. So from now onwards, whatever the services, whatever the AWS services so uh, we are teaching in this class, definitely you guys can try with the Terraform. So I will teach with the manual process. You guys can do it in the Terraform. So I will teach the manually. So I will teach the manually, and you guys can do it from the Terraform. So what we completed, guys? Instance EC2 instance, something like EBS, right? Volumes also volumes and we created, and the IAM also we discussed, guys. IAM also we discussed. So later we will discuss about the VPCs and S3 VPCs, and we will discuss EKS, ECS. So we will discuss. So we will discuss these main RDS. You guys can start looking into, guys, how we can how we can launch the instances to the launches through the Terraform. How we can launch the instances through a Terraform. Guys, understood? So you guys can launch the instances through a Terraform. I already showed you, right? So how we can create a stack, how we can create the stack. For example, AWS services creation through Terraform. Guys, what is infrastructure as a code? Install Terraform, build the infrastructure, change the infrastructure, destroy the infrastructure, define the input variables, query data, and source remote. So this is, guys, Terraform, a provider, Docker image, Docker plugins. You guys can check it. Yeah. So this is the RDF dice, guys. AWS resource underscore security group, and RDS AWS underscore DB underscore instance. So we can create the RDS through the same way. We can create the RDS to same way. The variables are defined in the define the variables.tf file. Variable DB username equal to type string. Variable DB password equal to type equal to string. You guys can use it this way. So you guys can use it this way. We can launch the RDS. So it will be very easy, guys. If you know the how to write the Terraform files, it will be very easy. So something like a providers. So this is nothing but a providers, a version, Terraform version. So provider, a resource, guys. So resources, so we can use it. Okay, understood? You guys can check it. And so if you want to change right, guys, change, we will not discuss about the change, right? So instance type it T1 micro, not T1 micro, guys. T1 dot micro. Save T1 dot micro. So Terraform plan, guys. So before you are seeing plan 2 to add, 0 to change. So it's already we did not deploy it, right, guys? You guys can check it. So after deploying the after launching the 2 instances, you guys can try with T2 micro to change the instance type. Here it is showing something like plan. Here 2 to change. The plan is 2 to change because of you are changing our code under the services. We see 2 to add, 0 to destroy, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. 0 to destroy. So this is nothing but a Terraform, guys. This is nothing but a Terraform. Guys, understood? Guys, understood or not? When I understood,
Yeah, yes.
okay. So something like what we discussed, right? We keep we segregated the code.
Oh,
Yesterday we keep it in all in one file, right? But today, so we are segregated. In the main what we keep it, we keep the resources only. We keep the resources only. So in the providers block, we are adding the providers.tf in the providers block. So under region, so before we specified directly region, but we specified in the variables. We specified in the variable AWS region. So the default region is US East 1. It took the US East 1. The versions we provided the Terraform and the plugin AWS plugin provider versions. We keep it in the versions.tf. Providers.tf, and variables.tf, main.tf. We segregated the code. We segregated the code. Understood? We segregated the code. Yeah. Who is Sivagopi? Lavanya, Lavanya already there. Who is Sivagopi?
బ్రో నేను రఫీక్ బ్రో
Rafi.
నా
Okay.
దాంట్లో స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది ఫ్రెండ్ దాంట్లో నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యారు
Parlet. Okay. Yeah, guys, understood, right? This is nothing but a Terraform. So you guys, whenever we launch the any services in manually, I will show it in the manually. You guys can write it in the Terraform. You guys can write it in the Terraform. So yesterday I already gave the task to you guys: instance, volume attachment, and volume creations, and I am also. So, but you guys did or not? I don't know. You guys are not responding. Yeah, so this is the guys. Whenever we teach the any services manually, you guys can write it through Terraform. Write it through Terraform. You guys can check it in the any in the web or YouTube or something like. You guys can practice the Terraform, guys. Practice the Terraform. Okay, guys, understood?
yes.
Yes, right? Yeah. Uh, Okay, we will discuss. Yeah. So in the AWS, we started the AWS. So what are the services we completed?
EC2, IAM,
EC2, IAM,
ABS,
EC2,
IAM,
IIM. Guys, so Linux is completed or not, guys? Guys, Linux is completed.
Yes, sir, completed.
So my side completed. For your side, is it completed? You practiced?
yes,
Yeah. So what are the services are completed in the AWS?
EC2 and IAM.
So you guys are okay with these two services? Did you practice?
Yes,
No, right? Please practice. Please practice, guys. Then DevOps. So what are the tools are there and what are completed?
Terraform,
Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Git,
Bullets,
Kubernetes,
Jenkins,
Jenkins.
Jenkins,
Terraform is completed or not, guys?
completed.
Completed. So Ansible, Docker, Git, Kubernetes, Jenkins. Project. So these are the concept pending, right, guys? Right, guys? These are the concepts are pending. So today we will discuss about the Ansible. So why we are starting the Ansible? Terraform and Ansible both are, guys, tell me, both are
Like similar,
similar.
both are guys, we already discussed in the Terraform slides. So Terraform is a which tool, guys?
Infrastructure code.
Sorry?
It's a IAC tool
Yes, it's an ISC tool. So infrastructure
as a code.
as code, but Ansible is What is that, guys?
Configuration management.
Configuration management, MG management tool, right, guys? So both are the friends, guys. These both are friends. Both are friends. Yeah, guys. So IAC and configuration management tools are both are friends because of, so the Terraform is for, so what is the Terraform for? Terraform is only for the building the infra. So after the building the infra, how we can install and configure the application? We will install and configure the applications, guys. So we will install and configure the applications. Guys, we will install and configure the applications. Ansible. Ansible is the configuration management tool. So once we inform to the Ansible, so via Ansible, it automatically install the softwares, Java, Tomcat, or whatever it may be, guys. So for the application deployment, so the Ansible will work only on the existing infra. Will work only on the existing infra. Guys, understood? Guys, are understood or not?
Yes, understood.
Yes, right? Very good. It is that AWS. We have 3 not slides, guys. Guys, Ansible is a automation platform. So Ansible is acquired by the Red Hat, and the Ansible is acquired by the Red Hat is acquired by the IBM, guys. Red Hat is acquired by the IBM. Now Ansible and Red Hat and the Terraform is acquired by the IBM. Acquired by the IBM. Guys, understood? So Ansible is a automation engine. Ansible is what is, guys? Ansible is the automation engine. So configuration management versus infrastructure orchestration. So what is that, guys? Configuration management versus infrastructure orchestration. Ansible, Chef, Puppet are configuration management tools, which means that they are primarily designed to install and manage the softwares on existing servers. Guys, everyone can read out. So what is configuration management tool, guys?
It's Ansible,
Hmm.
Chef, Puppet are configuration management tools, which
Hmm.
means that they are primarily designed to install and manage software on existing servers.
So only Ansible, Chef, Puppet are the configuration management tools, which means that they are primarily designed to install and manage the softwares on existing servers. Existing servers. Next, Terraform, CloudFormation in are the infrastructure orchestration tools. What are those? Infrastructure orchestration tool, which is basically means they can provision the servers and infrastructure by themselves. Guys, understood? So Terraform, CloudFormation, Azure ARM. So these all are the CFT, all are the infrastructure orchestration tools, which are basically means they can provision the servers and infrastructure by themselves. Provision infrastructure by themselves, guys. So configuration maintenance tools can do some degree of infrastructure provisioning, but the focus here is that some tools are going to better fit for the certain types of tasks. Guys, now you understood this paragraph, these three paragraphs. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Vinay,
Yeah.
you understood, right? Yeah. So what is that? Only Ansible, Chef, Puppet are the configuration management tools. Terraform, CloudFormation, these are the fit for the infrastructure. But configuration management tool can do some degree of infrastructure provisioning. But the focus here is that some of the tools are designed, uh, some of the tools are going to better fit for the certain types of tasks. Certain type of tasks. Guys, understood?
Yes.
So what are the configuration management tools, guys? Ansible,
Chef,
Chef,
Puppet.
Puppet. Why Ansible is popular than Chef and Puppet? So why Ansible is guys? What is that? Ansible. So what is that tool, guys? So which tool we are trying to learn? Guys, tell me. Ansible configuration management tool. So the configuration management tool. So what are the configuration management tools, guys? Guys, tell me what are the configuration management tools? So this is the chef. So this is Puppet. So this is Ansible. What these are, guys? These are the first configuration management tool is Chef. The second configuration management tool is Puppet. Puppet. So the third one is
Ansible.
Ansible. Yeah. So why Ansible is popular? Why Ansible is popular than Chef and Puppet? So why it is popular? So we'll tell you, guys. So we'll tell you. So what is that? So what is that? The configuration management tools. So configuration management tools. So configuration management tools means so it will install the softwares on existing servers. It will it will install the softwares on existing servers. Existing servers. Something like so this is the CHEP server. So these are the target servers. So target means newly built servers. Newly built servers. So with Terraform. So these are the newly built servers. So we want to install the Java and Tomcat, Apache, whatever it may be, guys. So we want to install the softwares on existing servers or target servers. These servers are newly built servers. These servers are newly built servers. So why it is popular, I will tell you. Guys, now you understood? So in my in my company, I have 100 servers. In my company, for example, these all are the 100 servers. I want to install the Tomcat Java on all these 100 servers. Guys, I want to install the I want to install the Java Tomcat on 100 servers or 1000 servers. 1000 servers. Or else I want to install the I want to install the Apache means HTTPD package or software package on. I want to install the Apache package on 1000 servers. 1000 servers. Guys, I want to install the Apache package on 1000 servers. So 1000 servers. So man, for example, a Linux engineer or whoever guys. So we need to log into each and every servers. So we like to log into each and every server and run the command. Run the command, guys. So run the command. Which command, guys, we need to run on the Linux server? Guys, tell me if you want to install the this is the server, guys. For example, this is the Linux server. I want to install a Apache on this server. So what is the command, guys? I want to install the Apache. I want to log into the server and I want to install the Apache. So Tomcat. So what is the command, guys? How we can install the
HTTP
packages?
Up, application.
YAM
YAM.
or RPM.
M,
YAM or RPM.
yeah, MR or RPM. So HTTPD. So we yum install HTTPD. So we need to run this command on 100,000 servers, guys. So per one server, it will take 10 minutes because of we need to log into each and every server. We need to log into the servers and run this command, right, guys? So run this command. So it take 10 minutes every server, 1000 into 10, guys. 1000 into 1000 into 10. So hi guys, how much? 10,000 minutes. So 10,000 minutes we need to install the Apache on 100,000 servers. How much time it will take, guys? 1000 minutes. So 1000 minutes. I don't want to use the people and install the Apache server. So is there any possibility, is there an automation possibility to do it easily or without a manpower and the time, for saving the time? Yes, guys. So we can use the configuration management tool for installing the packages or installing the configure and install and configure the servers, install and configure the servers without manual intervention. So we can use the configuration management tools, the Chef server and the Puppet server. So this is the Ansible server. So we can use any one of the configuration management tool and we can install the Apache or we can install the Java Tomcat on the 100,000, 10,000, 20,000, any one of the servers, guys. Any one of the servers. Guys, understood? So why configuration management tool? To automate the process for installing and configuring the applications on existing servers. Applications on existing servers. Guys, understood? Guys, now you understood why we need configuration management tool? Yes, right? Yeah. So the configuration management tool, the first tool is designed as a Chef, guys. Chef server. Chef server. Chef is it's a agent based, guys. Agent based configuration management tool. What is that, guys? Agent based configuration management tool. So what is agent based, guys? So what is agent based configuration management tool, guys? So what is agent based configuration management tool? This is a agentless, guys. Yeah, I will tell you. So agent based configuration management tool. So we need to install the agent for the chef agent. So to communicate with the, how you can communicate with between the chef server and chef this newly configured server through the chef agent. If the chef agent is running, it will. So if the chef agent is running, so if you want to install the, if you want to install the HTTPD on all these packages. So if agent is running, then only so we can install the software. Something like if agent is not running on this running on these two servers, the agent is running on these three servers, the installation done on only these servers. So whatever the agent is not running on these servers, it will not apply, because of it is a agent based communication. It is a agent based communication. Chuff chuff knife recipes, guys. So what is the terminology, guys? Chuff knife recipe recipes. So what are the terminology, guys? Knife, I think E, right? Knife, chuff knife recipes. The chef knife recipes. So this is the, so in the module we can use the recipes. So in the recipes we can install the install HTTPD. These are, we are using the install. This is the recipe. This is the agent based communication protocols. It runs the agent based. So that's the reason it is. So it is a something like, it is not popular. It is not popular. Initially we are using the chef. Then a what is that, a innovation thoughts comes into the picture. So innovation thoughts comes into the picture, the puppet is created. So puppet also a agent based communication protocol, same like as, but here the terminology, it started the modules, guys. Here started the modules. So it starts the modules. Modules are very easy. Modules are very easy compared to the recipes. Modules are very easy compared to the recipes. Innovation thoughts comes into the picture. They call it the modules. So, but it is a agent based, right? This is also not popular, because of it's a, we need to install the agent on each and every target servers. Then we can install it, right? But so don't want to run any agent, puppet agent. We need to install the puppet agent here, chef agent. But Ansible is nothing but a agentless communication protocol. Agentless communication protocol. So here also we took the modules. Here also we took the modules, same like modules, and designed the Ansible without agent. That's the reason. So here also modules, the same concept, but the why it is popular, rather than these two, the Ansible is popular because of modules and agentless. We don't need to install the Ansible agent on each and every server, but we need to set the passwordless authentication. Passwordless passwordless authentication between Ansible server and the target. Target server means newly built server. Target server means a newly built server. Newly built server. Yes, understood? So why it is popular? So because of agentless. So we are using the modules. So what is a module? Something like a module, I call it as a. So we run the module. Module equal to something like M is the module. What is the module? M is the module. M name present. Name, so this M is the module. So the package name. What is the package name, guys? Package name is HTTPD. So present equal something like name state. State, guys. This is state. State equal to present. So we need to install the HTTPD package is state equal to present. The present one you can install the. So this is the module. So here we can run it as this is nothing but a playbook. How you can write it? So we can write the playbook. So what it, guys? Guys, tell me. So what is that? This is nothing but a playbook. The concept is playbook. The playbook, we can write the plays. We can write the code. So this is nothing but a playbook. So what is the extension for the Terraform, guys? What is the extension for the Terraform files?
TF.
So .tf. So
TF.
for Ansible playbook .yml. So YML is nothing but another markup language. Another at markup language or another markup language. This is also a layman language. So what is this, guys? This is a layman language. This is also a layman language. So what is that, guys? A playbooks. We are writing as the playbooks, and so we can run the playbook on the Ansible server. It will apply on the target servers. It will apply on the target servers. It will install the HTTPD on the target servers. Apache on the target servers. Guys, now you understood? Guys, are understood or not? Guys, speak out. Guys, are you understood?
No, that means when we want to install all over at one time, we use this, right? Ansible.
Yes. Yeah, guys. So introduction to Ansible. So Red Hat. So Ansible automation engine. So this is the Ansible, guys. Ansible server. So these all are the target servers. For example, Dev, QA, UAT, prod servers. Through the SSH, we can connect. Through the SSH passwordless authentication, we can connect these servers. And what is that, guys? Playbook. So playbook is nothing but a zookeeper or something like minstall. So minstall that. So minstall. In the playbook, what the module, guys? The module is a module to install the Apache package. So I want to provide the target servers. In which servers we want to install the M. So we will provide the inventory. So host inventory, the IP address of the inventory. In the inventory, we need to provide the IP address of that server, target servers, and playbook is for so what we are trying to install. So this is the playbook, this is the inventory. So in which target in which target servers we need to install this playbook. So we need to specify it. So this is the Ansible automation engine, Ansible server. So in one server we install the Ansible. Then so we will run the playbook and we will do the password authentication between these servers, and we'll run the playbook. So based on the inventory, it will automatically apply on the servers. It automatically apply on the servers. Guys, understood? Now you got the clarity, right?
No, that means, bro, అంటే ఇప్పుడు మన ఐపీ అడ్రస్ పర్టికులర్ గా దేంట్లో అయితే ఏ సర్వర్ లో అయితే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నామో ఆ ఐపీ అడ్రస్ ఇచ్చేసి ప్లే బుక్ రన్ చేసి ఆ సర్వర్స్ లో ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిపోతాయి, అంతే కదా?
Easy. అవును. So before that, we need to create the passwordless authentication between the Ansible server and the target server. Ansible server and the target server. I already gave a task to you guys. So please create a password authentication between two servers. Right? You guys are done or not? I don't know. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
I already gave the task to you guys, but I don't know if you have done that or not. Okay. So Ansible. So Ansible is a open source, a simple, powerful, agentless, and versatile. It's a open source, guys. You guys are knows, right? What is open source? So open source is nothing but a free of cost, source code also available, and it's a simple and powerful, agentless, and versatile, guys. So Ansible management node, this is the Ansible server. So this is the playbook, this is the inventory. Group A, group B. So these are the host groups, group A, group B, group N. So I want to apply so something like these are the host A, group B, group B, guys. These two are the group A and group B. So group A servers are the application servers, group B servers are the database servers. Group A servers are the application servers. Group B servers are the database servers. I want to apply the playbook on the only application servers because of I want to install the Apache on the only application servers. So in the inventory we have specified all the servers. We have specified all the servers, DB servers, application servers, and cache servers. Everything will be specified in the inventory. But I don't want to apply on all the servers in the inventory. I want to apply on a specific group. The specific group means application servers or either DB servers. We want to apply on a particular group. So we can use the group and we can deploy, guys. So we can use the group and we can deploy on a particular servers. If you are not using any group, and if you are not using the group, it will apply, the playbook will apply on all the target servers, all the servers. So in the inventory I have a both DB and app servers, but I don't want to apply it on the DB servers. I want to apply only the app servers. How we can do it, guys? We can use the groups. So we can use the groups. So the agenda, guys. Agenda is something like what is Ansible, why Ansible, Ansible use cases, architecture of the Ansible, configuration management with Ansible, quick demo, guys. So what is that? What is Ansible? Why Ansible? Ansible use cases, architecture of the Ansible. Architecture of the Ansible you already know. So configuration management with Ansible, quick demo. So what is Ansible? Ansible is a open source configuration management and provision tool similar to the Chef, Puppet or the Salt. Ansible is an open source configuration management and provisioning tool similar to Chef, Puppet or a Salt. It uses SSH to connect to the servers and run the configured task. It uses SSH to connect to the servers. So password authentication to connect to the servers and run the configured tasks. Run the configured task in the playbook. Ansible lets you control and configure nodes from the single mission. What makes it different from other management software is that Ansible uses SSH infrastructure. So passwordless authentication, agentless authentication. So the project was founded in 2013 and the bought by the Red Hat in 2015. So it started in 2013 and acquired by the Red Hat in 2015. Red Hat in 2015. Why Ansible? So there is no agent, idempotent, and a declarative, not procedural, a tiny learning curve. So why, guys? So no agent, as long as the box can be SSH'd into and it has a Python, it can be configured with Ansible. Idempotent. Ansible whole architecture is structured around the concept of the idempotency. The core idea is here is that you only do things if you are needed and that things are reportable without side effects. So declarative, not procedural. Other configuration tools tend to be procedural. Do this and then do that and so on and so on. So Ansible works by you returning a description of that state of your mission that you want to, and then it takes steps to fulfill the description. Tiny learning curve. Ansible is quite easy to learn. It does not require any extra knowledge. It does not require any knowledge. Ansible use cases, provisioning, configuration management, and app deployment, continuous delivery, security and compliance, and orchestration. What are the use cases, guys? For provisioning the servers, configuration management, app deployment. If you want to deploy application, we can use the Ansible. Continuous delivery, security compliance, and orchestration purpose, we are using the Ansible. So architecture of the Ansible architecture. So this is the Ansible architecture, guys. What it there? It is there the inventory, API, and plugins and modules. We can use it and we can deploy it. So this is the playbook. You can write, users can write the playbook and apply it on the through Ansible, and it will be installed, or it will be deployed, or it will be installed, or it will whatever it may be on the host, guys. So this is the Ansible architecture. Inventory. What is the inventory? The inventory is a description of the nodes that can be accessed by a Ansible. The inventory is a description of the nodes that can be accessed by Ansible. By default, the inventory is described by the configuration file whose default location is in /etc Ansible host. So there is a inventory file location. The inventory file, default inventory file is /etc Ansible host. In the host file, we can mention the target server IP addresses, or you can create your own configuration file. The configuration file lists either the IP address or the host name of the each node. So we can provide in the configuration either IP address or the host name of the each node that is accessible via Ansible. Every host is assigned to a group such as a web servers, DB servers, etc. The inventory file can be in one of many formats such as AML and INI. So inventory is .ini, AML playbooks is .aml, YAML or YML, you can write it. So examples of the inventory file. So mail.example.com. This is the server name. So web servers. So something like foexample.com, barexample.com. These are the web servers. DB servers 1, 2, 3. These are the DB servers. DB servers. A playbook. What is a playbook? Playbooks are simple AML files. What is that, guys? Playbooks are simple AML files. These files are descriptions of the desired state of your systems. Ansible then does the hard work of getting your system to to, to that state, no matter what state they are currently in. Playbooks make your installations, upgrades, and day-to-day management repeatable and reliable. So is there any repeatable task? You can use the playbooks. Playbooks are, what is that, guys? Playbooks are simple AML files. These files are descriptions of the desired state of your systems. Ansible then does the hard work of getting your systems to that state, no matter what the state they are currently in. Playbooks make your upgrades, and day-to-day management repeatable and reliable activities. Playbooks are simple to write and maintain. Simple to write and maintain. Playbooks are written in a natural language, so they are very easy to evolve and edit. Playbooks contains a place. Place contains a task. Task calls modules. What is that, guys? Playbook contains the place. Place contains the tasks. Task calls the modules. Task calls the modules. So example of an Ansible playbook. Example of an Ansible playbook. These three are the defaults one. We need to provide these three hyphens. Hosts equal to web servers. Remote user equal to root. So which user you need to perform this action as a root user. Tasks. What are the task? Name equal to ensure Apache is the latest version. So name, it's a comment. This is the name is nothing but a comment option. Ensure Apache is the latest version. So name equal to HTTPD, state equal to latest or a present. So this is the module, guys. Which module this is? This is a M module. M module contains the name and the state. Yeah. So name, ensure Apache is running. So name equal to service. Module equal to service. Module equal to M. So name equal to HTTPD, state equal to started. Enabled equal to S. So this is a service. Service is the module, M is the module. So Ansible is working with the modules. Our modules are M and service. M module and service modules. Guys, understood?
Yes.
This is the module. This is the module. This is the example of the playbook. Just you run the playbook with the web server's host inventory. It will apply it on the What are the hosts, guys? Web server, something like foo.example.com and bar.example.com. It will apply this playbook on these two servers. These two servers. These two servers. These two servers. Yeah, modules. What are the modules? There are over 1,000 modules provided by the Ansible to automate the every part of the environment. Modules are like plugins that do the actual work in the Ansible. They are what gets executed in each playbook task. Each module is mostly standalone and can be written in a standard scripting language such as Python, Perl, Ruby, Bash. One of the guiding properties of the modules is idempotency, which means that even if an operation is repeated multiple times, it will always place the system into the same state. Same state. Examples of modules. There are lots of modules such as a service module, file module, copy module, IP tables modules, etc. Any module can be used as so Ansible. So -f message. So we don't use this one, guys. Yeah. So the Ansible doc I think doc.ansible. Yes, guys. So there is a official documentation site, guys. Same like for the same like for the Terraform. You guys can use this. Use this documentation. You can get the modules. For example, this is the file module, guys. So file module. So this is the parameters and the example. You see, guys. So this is the module file. So name, change the ownership of the file group and permissions. You can change it, or give insecure, create a symbolic link, or created two hard links, or touch a file using symbolic modules to set the permissions. Yeah, guys. So we can change the ownership. We can remove the files. Absent equal to remove. Recursively remove the directory. So we can use the file module, guys. We can use the file module, or else we can use the M module, right, guys? M module. So we can use the M module. M manages packages with M package manager. These are the parameters. You guys see. Install the latest version of Apache. M name HTTPD state equal to latest. Name ensure the list of packages are installed. M name packages vars package is called HTTPD HTTP tools. Remove a Apache package. Install the package and remove the package. So how you can, so state equal to latest is nothing but a installing. Absent is nothing but a removing the package. Install the latest version of the Apache from the testing repo. So we can use the testing repo. If you want to install a specific version, you can use the specific version. If you want to upgrade all the packages, you can use the name equal to star a latest one. It will update every package, each and every package. Upgrade all the packages, exclude kernel and flu related packages. Name equal to star, state equal to latest, exclude. You can exclude these packages. Install the nginx rpm from the remote repo. We can use the remote repo. Install the rpm from the local file. We can install the local file. Install the genome desktop. Install everything, guys. You can use the name state, right? So something like a service module also. We have a number of modules, guys. So we can use the module service module service. Yeah, service module. Yeah, service equal to started, stopped, restarted, reloaded, enabled equal to yes, started. So start the service based on the running process. Restart the network service for the ETH0. We can restart the ETH0 also. We can network also. We can restart. Guys, understood? So these are the examples of the modules. We have a number of modules, guys. 1,000 above modules we have. We can use that modules and we can install it. Guys, understood? Ansible. What is Ansible? It's an automation configuration management provision tool. It uses playbooks to deploy, manage, build, test, configure anything from full server environments to website to customize compiled source code for application. A text file by AML, human readable. Ansible introduction. Agentless config management tool over the SSH Python based. AML syntax for just about everything. Designed to for a very simple. Ansible playbook components, inventories, static or dynamic host groups, variables, different values from the different environments, vault, a mechanism for the encrypting secrets, tasks, pre-task, tasks and post-task, roles, grouping of the reusable tasks, handlers, providers of orchestration events. How does it work? So web servers.aml. So configure web servers, host web servers. A task equal to install nginx, apt name equal to nginx, name install config, template equal to src
బ్రో
nginx config.
బ్రో మీ వాయిస్ కొంచెం లో ఉంది, కొంచెం గట్టి మాట్లాడండి.
Low unda now?
బ్రో ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah. So you guys, you want to install the web servers. You want to install the web servers. It will install on only web servers, web 1, web 2, web 3, web 1, web 2, so web 3. So Ansible, it's a plan. So where it will work. So plan purpose, coding purpose, continuous integration, build or test. So in the SDLC, where Ansible is using continuous management and continuous deployment purpose, we are using the Ansible. Okay. So Ansible playbooks, modules, templates. This is the Ansible server. Sysadmin, test admin, delivery team. Everyone can use the Ansible and pool of running servers, create, provision, push, configure, security services, deploying. This purpose we are using the Ansible. Ansible architecture we already knows, right? Host inventory, playbooks, core modules, custom modules, plugins. So connection plugins, public private cloud users, then hosts, push based and pull based. So tool like Puppet and Chef are the pull based. Pull means agent based. Agents on the server periodically checks for the configuration information from the central server. Ansible is the push based. Central server pushes the configuration information on the target servers. So you control when the changes are made on the servers. Ansible has official support for pull mode using a tool. It shifts with the called Ansible pull. So push based, pull based versus this is the push based isn't. So this is a push based something like a version control system. Pull the changes, send the specifications on the Ansible server over the Ansible server. So over the SSH agentless protocol, we can apply. So pull based version control system, something like a pull agent. So pull is nothing but a agent need to install. So push means we don't need agent to be installed on the target servers. Host inventory. Ansible can manage only the servers it explicitly knows about. Information about the device is provided by the specifying them in an inventory file. Each server needs the name that Ansible will use to identify it. You can use the host name of the server. Pass additional arguments to tell Ansible how to connect to it. Default location is /etc Ansible host. The inventory location, the inventory default location is this is host. These are the inventories. Ansible modules. Modules also referred as a task plugins or a library plugins, are that one which actually get executed inside the playbook. These are the scripts that comes packaged with the Ansible and perform some kind of action on the host. Example, apt is the module, copy is the module, file is the module, service is the module, M is the module. These all are the modules. Ansible playbooks, Ansible configuration deployment orchestration language, written in YAML, declarative define your configuration. A playbook describes which host or to configure and the order and an ordered list of tasks to perform on this host. So command to be run on the playbook. What is the playbook command? Ansible playbook or playbook name. Ansible playbook name. This is the command to run on the Ansible server. So run on the playbook. Simple example: name tester, test1, name, check connectivity, ping, just what is that command? Touch. You can create the, so command is the plugin, a command is the module, ping is the module. Just a touch, you can create the touch. Playbook, this is the playbook. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a Ansible. This is nothing but a Ansible. Yeah. So if you want to run the, playbook, how you can run it, guys? You can run it, the command playbook hyphen Ansible hyphen playbook name playbook.aml. So this is the command, guys. Ansible hyphen playbook name. Ansible hyphen playbook name. The Ansible hyphen playbook name. So here, if you are not providing the inventory, it will take from the default. If you are providing the inventory, if you have created a specific inventory file, you need to provide in the -i inventory file path. -i inventory file path. Guys, understood? Guys, understood or not? Hello? Guys, understood? Guys, will continue from tomorrow.
పర్లేదు బ్రో బాగా అర్థమైంది. కాకపోతే కొంచెం స్పీడ్ అనిపించింది.
అవునా? ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడు స్పీడ్ ఉండదు, చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? So we'll continue from tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we'll show you how to create a playbook and Ansible, and yeah, task, guys. Task. So these are the two servers. We launch two servers and create the passwordless authentication between two servers. Passwordless authentication between two servers. Passwordless authentication. Passwordless authentication. So password authentication, guys. We need a passwordless authentication over the SSH. So you can generate the SSH keys, guys. SSH hyphen keygen. So SSH hyphen keygen command. So you can run the command. It will create the through the root user. So here also root user. So we want to connect the root user on the server, the IP address. So it will automatically connect without using the password, guys. So we need a passwordless authentication between two servers. What is the task, guys? Passwordless authentication between two servers, guys. So if we are completing this part, so then we will move to the Ansible, guys. Otherwise we cannot move to the Ansible part, guys. So definitely you can do this task today. Guys. Understood? Definitely complete this task, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. So we'll continue from tomorrow.
అవునా బ్రో, రేపు క్లాస్ అంటే తీసుకుంటారు లేదా మాట్లాడు.